if I told you that everything you think you know about making your tires last longer is just noise? The real secret isn't a list of 10 things. It's one single physical law that every tire on the planet obeys. And the moment you understand it, you can literally force your tires to last twice as long without spending a dime more than you already are. In fact, the only thing you'll be spending is a few minutes of your time, strategically. This isn't a myth. Fleet managers for the biggest delivery companies in the world run their entire operations on this principle, and today, I'm handing it to you. First, you need to forget about wear and tear. Tires don't just wear out, they are murdered by one thing: uneven force. Every pothole, every turn, every pound of pressure that isn't perfectly distributed is a death sentence for a patch of rubber. The goal isn't to prevent wear, it's to distribute it so perfectly that every single millimeter of tread gives up its life at the exact same moment. That's the finish line. That's how you win. So let's talk about the one trick, the reset. But to understand why it works, you have to meet the 3 assassins that are working against you right now. Assassin number 1, the pressure deception. You think you know your PSI. You don't. A tire that's underinflated by just 5 psi doesn't look flat, but it flexes too much, overheating from the inside, cooking the rubber until it turns brittle. Overinflate it, and you're riding on a tiny, hard strip down the center, grinding it away to nothing. Both are a death sentence, and both feel exactly the same from the driver's seat until it's far too late. Assassin number 2, the angle of attack. This is your alignment. When your wheels aren't pointing in perfect synchronized harmony, they're not rolling, they're scraping. Imagine dragging a boot sideways along the pavement. That's what a misaligned tire does with every single mile. You'll see the evidence on the edges: feathered tread, bald shoulders on a tire with plenty of meat in the middle. It's not a weak tire, it's a tortured one. Assassin number 3, the imbalance. A tiny weight falls off a rim. You feel a vibration at high speed. Most people think that's just annoying. It's a death spiral. That vibration means one section of the tire is slamming into the road with more force than the rest. It's a hammer, hitting the same spot thousands of hours an hour. It doesn't just wear the tread, it fatigues the entire structure. Now, here's the breakthrough. These 3 aren't separate problems. They are one problem wearing 3 different masks, and you beat them all with the same single strategy. The one trick, the synchronized reset. This is the non-negotiable ritual. It's not just rotating tires, it's systematically redistributing every point of stress on a schedule so tight, uneven wear never gets a foothold. Here's how the pros execute it. Hack number 1, the 5,000-mile triple play. Rotation alone is child's play. The reset is rotation, rebalance, and inspection at every 5,000-mile interval like clockwork. Not 7,500, not when I remember, 5,000. When you rotate, you move the wear patterns, but if you don't rebalance the tire on its new position, you've just moved a vibration problem from the front axle to the rear. The inspection? That's you, or your mechanic, looking for the story the tread is telling. Is one edge wearing faster? That's a memo from your suspension, and you need to read it now, not 10,000 miles from now. Hack number 2, the proactive alignment calendar. Throw away the idea that you get an alignment when the car pulls. That's like going to the dentist only when a tooth falls out. The reset demands a precision alignment every 12 months, period. Why? Because roads happen, curbs happen. That tiny pothole you thought was nothing, it tweaked something. A proactive alignment resets the angles to 0, ensuring that your meticulous 5,000-mile tire rotations are actually helping, not just moving the problem around. Hack number 3, the cold pressure protocol. This is where you take control. Tire pressure is a living number. It changes with temperature. The reset requires you to set your pressure only when the tires are cold, meaning the car has been sitting for at least 3 hours or driven less than a single mile. That pressure on the door jamb sticker, that's a cold specification. Filling your tires at a gas station after an hour on the highway guarantees they'll be underinflated by morning. You're not filling tires, you're calibrating instruments. Do it at home with a good gauge, once a month. Hack number 4, the driving style reboot. Your right foot is a weapon. Aggressive jackrabbit starts don't just burn gas, they literally tear rubber molecules from the tread. Sudden panicked braking does the same. The reset is about smoothness. It's about seeing 3 traffic lights ahead and rolling off the throttle instead of stomping the brake. Think of it as driving with a glass of water on your dashboard that you don't want to spill. That smoothness translates directly into even longitudinal wear. It's free horsepower for your tire life. Hack number 5, the parking position reset. Your car sits more than it drives, and how it sits matters. Parking with your wheels cranked hard against a curb puts enormous static stress on the sidewall and tread. Parking in the same exact spot every day with the same camber from an uneven driveway creates a permanent flat spot. The reset is simple. Wheels straight whenever parked. Seek level ground. If you're storing a car, inflate the tires to the maximum pressure on the sidewall to fight flat spotting. This isn't OCD, it's preserving the roundness you paid for. Hack number 6, the seasonal tire acknowledgement. Tires are made of specific rubber compounds for specific temperature ranges. Running all seasons in blistering summer heat is like running a marathon in winter boots. The compound gets too soft, it squirms, and it wears out at an accelerated rate. Running summer tires in near-freezing conditions turns them into hockey pucks. The reset is about honesty. Match the tire to your genuine climate, not the one you wish you had. It's the single biggest factor in getting the tread wear rating you actually paid for. Hack number 7, the TPMS relearn ritual. That little tire pressure light isn't magic. After you rotate your tires, the sensors are still reporting from their old positions. If your dashboard says the right front is low, but that tire is now on the left rear, you're chasing a ghost. Most modern cars have a simple TPMS relearn procedure, often found in your settings menu or with a button sequence. This 5-minute reset ensures your car's expensive monitoring system is telling you the truth, not a lie that leads to neglect. Hack number 8, the road surface adaptation. You can't control the road, but you can control your reaction to it. Hitting a pothole square on at 40 miles per hour delivers a shock that can dent a rim and damage the tire's internal belts. The reset is tactical driving. On terrible roads, slow down. A 10-mile-per-hour reduction cuts the impact force exponentially. Straddle imperfections when safe. Listen to the road noise. A constant roar from coarse asphalt means it's chewing your tread. Creating space is creating longevity. Hack number 9, the tread depth audit. This is your report card. You need a $10 tread depth gauge. Every 2 months, measure the tread in 3 places across each tire: inside edge, center, outside edge. What you're looking for isn't just the number, but the difference between them. A 2/30 seconds difference between the center and edge is a screaming alert that your pressure is wrong or your alignment is off. This data lets you correct course months before a problem becomes a tragedy. You become the foreman of your own tire shop. Hack number 10, the mindset shift. This is the final and most important reset. Stop thinking of tire maintenance as a cost. It is a strategic investment. The $150 you spend each year on alignments and balances isn't an expense. It's buying back half the cost of your next set of tires. It's the difference between a 40,000-mile tire and a 65,000-mile tire. Fleet managers don't have magic tires. They have this math engraved on their brains. Preventative maintenance is always, always cheaper than replacement. This is the synchronized reset. It's a closed-loop system. Each habit supports the other, creating a cycle of preservation. It turns your car from a tire-eating machine into a temple of efficiency. The rubber will still wear down, but it will wear down together, evenly, gracefully, and on your terms, giving you every single mile you paid for, and then some. So the question isn't whether you can afford to do this. The real question is, can you afford not to? The proof is already on your car. Go look at your tires right now. The story of what you've been doing or not doing is written right there in the rubber. The good news? The next chapter is yours to write.